recently my debit card got compromised. And well, as a result, I had to get another one sent here to Ecuador. And due to my remaining PTSD from North Carolina and the hurricane and the horrible state of delivery of packages there, I chose to have it sent by just one carrier, which in this case was DHL. I could have gotten it sent via yet another one beyond DHL to my local city, but due to things getting lost for months in North Carolina, I decided I would happily travel to the next city to pick it up in person. So I'm off to the bus station. I just got a phone call, was informed in Spanish that they have my package and it's ready for me to pick up. So stay tuned, this might get silly, who knows. So of course it's raining, but this video is going to cover logistics of catching a public bus from Baños de Agua Santa, Ecuador's terminal, to the Ambato terminal, where I will then get a taxi on to the DHL office. There I'll pick up my package and catch a taxi back to the terminal and then ride a bus back to this terminal. Hope that all makes sense. It's not nearly as bad as it may seem. It's a bus going to Ambato now, so I'm gonna try to hop on. Ambato? Por favor. Whoa, I got the bus all to myself. It must be a slow travel day. Oh no, we're still pulling in. We're just changing spots. Next stop will be Ambato, and whether they drop me off on the side of the highway or the terminal, I'll just snag a taxi at that point to El Centro and take care of my errand. And finally, the bus is on its way from Baños towards Ambato. So this leg costs $1.25. Okay, so I got off the bus and now I'm taking a taxi into El Centro and to the DHL office. Oh, what a joy. Okay, so the taxi was $4 from the bus to the DHL office where I'm standing. Here's my DHL envelope, and I got my package. Easy peasy. I was a little paranoid of using more than one company, so I sent it straight with DHL. That way I knew there'd be no loss at the handoff like happens in North Carolina, especially western North Carolina mountains after Hurricane Helene. So now I got to flag down a taxi and get a ride to the bus terminal so I can catch a bus back over to Baños de Agua Santa, Ecuador. It'll probably take me another hour and a half or so. I don't know. No big deal. Okay, so I was hungry, so I saw this wonderful restaurant and I ordered the menu of the day, and I requested the fish version rather than the res or the carne. Yeah, that being like beef or meat. Here's the second course. It's rice, veggies, and fish. And of course my juice that I've already had. And there's a small dessert. So this is a great little unplanned stop, but it looked good, so I went for it. Well, I almost waited around for a bus. I barely missed one that had the sign for the Southern Terminal on its windshield. But I got tired of waiting. Wasn't sure how often they ran, so I just snagged a cab. That way I can ask which one's the right terminal, because there's some confusion when I searched online. For a small fee, I call a taxi ride up to these two cooperatives, plus one more over there. And now, basically, I'm just going to wait until I see a bus come by that says Baños on the windshield, and I'll hop on and get my ride in. It's much cheaper than taking a taxi. Last time it cost me $15 to take a taxi to Baños from Ambato. So we'll see how this goes. I have time. Oh, I waited about 5 or 10 minutes, and a bus with Baños on the sign came by, so I'm on my way. So all in all, pretty good. Only took a few hours, and Now I'll get to a secure location and I'll activate my new card, verify it works. Then I'll probably turn it off to help prevent future fraud. Okay, so I easily activated my new debit card using my secured US phone number, or one of them rather, on a VOIP, voice over internet protocol. Yeah, it's even more secure than your landline, a lot more. And it's also a lot more secure than your cellular provider, because even if someone stole my local SIM with a swap, they would have nothing. You can't rip this one off, or at least not easily. And, well, I have encrypted everything and have all the other factors make it more difficult to compromise. So, to all the naysayers out there to say it couldn't be done, well, they're wrong.